This Century 21 Delia Realty Group property video is presented by Jill Crinion. Welcome to this fabulous home. This well-designed open floor plan features 4-bedroom and 2 full baths, a beautiful fully equipped kitchen with granite countertops and a breakfast bar, grand living room, magnificent master suite with 2 walk-in closets, his and her sinks, garden tub and separate shower. Brand new roof. Covered back patio on half-acre of land. Please call Jill Crinion 337-348-2652 with Century 21 Delia Realty Group today to view this spectacular home. For more information, review the details below.